page 44. Li shay in. So remember we said we will skip the alif if it has a cross on it or around 0. Li shay in. Lakin. Normally this will be read as lakinna, but because of the presence of X on top of the alif, we will not be considering the alif in the pronunciation, but in writing it has to be there. So we will be reading it as it shows below here. Lakin. La al بحنه لأذبحنه ليربو في ليربو في لا إلى الجحيم لا إلى الجحيم. We notice here a ya after a fatha. Yeah. La ilal. So we will not consider ya as a mad letter, since after it the next letter to be read is lam with sukoon. So any time after a ya at the end of one word, and then after the ya at the end of the last word comes a letter with sukoon as the first letter in the next word, then you skip the ya here, and then you skip also the alif, and then you just go to the lam. La I lal jahimi. Li yabluwa. Li yabluwa. Tabluwa. Tabluwa. Bi'sa lismu. Let me make it slightly bigger, zoom in a little bit more so we can see that clearly. Bi'sa lismu. Bi'sa lismu. La antum أشد. لا أنتم أشد. سلاسل. So we will be reading this alif here, but not the one at the end, because the one at the end has a cross on it. سلاسل. سلاسل. قوارير. 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 ملئهم. ملئهم. Since this is a longer word for a sentence, then I'll zoom in more. ولا أنا Now remember, we said in the previous page, if there is an alif with a cross on it, we will not be considering that alif. So, وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. Dal and ta share the same articulation point. Therefore, if after dal sakin comes a ta, then we will place a shadda on the ta. And since these two share the same articulation point, we will say these letters, both letters in one go. So we will begin with dal and then end with ta. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. عَبَدْتُمْ. وَلَا أَنَا عَابِدٌ مَا عَبَدْتُمْ. موسى موسى. And this ya, so if there is a cross on three letters of extension, alif, waw and ya, if in any of these three there is a cross or a zero on any of them, we will not consider the alif, waw or ya as a letter to be read in that word, although present in writing but not present in reading. So Musa, Musa. Isa. Again, on top of the ya, there's a cross there. So we will be reading it as this. Isa. Now we have an example of a waw with a cross on it. Zakata. A lot of them confuse it with wa and they read it as zakawa, but it's wrong. Zakata. There is a standing alif after the kaf. So a standing alif is equal to kaf with a fatha and an alif. So this replaces the long alif and the fatha before it. Zakata. So we're reading it as that. Zakata. Salata. So we don't read this waw with a cross on it. In the Quran, there will be instances when you will not have this cross or a zero on that. So you will need to learn to remember it. Salata. So this waw with that alif on top is just as a mad letter. So you read the lam with that standing alif as a, so salata, and you skip the waw. So this is how you read it. Salata. Hayatin. Hayatin. Mishkatin. You see a waw with the cross on it? Mishkatin. So you skip the waw. And you read it as this. Mishkatin.